स्वागत किया है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल से। और बात करेंगे आज आप लोगों के साथ मानाली पेट्रोकेमिकल Q3 रिजल्ट के बारे में। स्ट्रॉन्ग प्रॉफिट ग्रो विथ 508 रुपीज एक्सेप्शनल आइटम्स। Manali Petrochemical delivered outstanding Q3 financial performance with consolidated net profit jumping 1,190.57% to 684 million rupees from 53 million rupees year over year. The company reported an exceptional items of 508 million rupees and achieved strong profit before tax growth of 181.82% to 217 million rupees. Revenue grew solidly by 27.55% to 2.5 billion rupees through EBITDA. Margin compresses to 5.66% from 6.46% despite absolute EBITDA growth of 10.24%. Manali Petrochemical has announced its Q3 financial results showcasing an exceptional profit growth alongside mixed operational performance metrics. The petrochemical company demonstrated remarkable profitable improvement while experiencing margin compression during the quarter. The company also disclosed an exceptional items of 508 million rupees during the quarter. Financial performance overview. The company Q3 result present a constructing picture of strong bottom line growth coupled with operational efficiency challenges. The financial metrics reflected both positive momentums and core profitability and areas requiring management attention, with significant exceptional items contributing to overall performance. For Q3 current year metrics, consolidated net profit Q3 previous year or 684 million rupees, or Q3 previous year 553 million rupees. Revenue 2.5 billion rupees, 1.96 billion rupees Q3 previous report. EBITDA 140 million rupees, 127 million previous, or margin 5.66% previous 6.146. PBT 317 million rupees, 77 million rupees. Exceptional items 508 million rupees.